Our off the shelf this morning comes from a young lady determined to fulfill her purpose and to help us fulfill ours as well. She is author Natalia White, and this morning we take off the shelf Recipe for Winning. Good morning, Natalia. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Hi, good morning, Dalia. Thank you so much for having me.
It's awesome to have you as well. Talk to me a little bit about the purpose behind writing this book.
Okay, so for 6 years, Dalia, I set the same New Year's resolution year after year. I wanted to be the motivational speaker, the author. I wanted to accomplish so much, but I couldn't find the drive. I realized fear was crippling me because, and also my mother never lived her dreams. So I was like, who am I? I'm an excellent teacher. I'm a good mother. I don't think I can accomplish anymore. And one day I decided that, listen, I don't want my son, Winandre, to feel like he has to choose between fatherhood and his dreams. So I'm going to get it. And it started by writing this book as a self-motivation so I can continue to win my adult dreams of owning the school, writing the book and stuff like that.
Yeah, and so it's interesting because a lot of what's in the book goes back to your own personal experiences and your own journeys, and you've lived a life, Natalia, that is a life of winning. Tell me a little bit about that, being able to experience all that you have, but still feel like I am winning at life.
Thank you. So my mother, Dalia, she taught me two things. That one, never ever use the experience of losing your father and your brother as an excuse. Always use that to propel you. So it's not an excuse card that I can get to use at school or anywhere else. And every single report period, she always put all the reports together and she's comparing them and she's always saying, my only competition is myself and I must strive to ensure that I'm constantly improving.
Yeah, and oh man, you have done that. So it's Recipe for Winning, a guide to success. Now, when you get a recipe book, you know, it gives you ingredients, it tells you the ways how you can make things happen. And one of the things I like about this guide is that it's practical. You literally have exercises in it to show you what to do, yeah? Is that the teacher in you?
Yes, that is definitely the teacher in me. So for a long time, I struggled with purpose. And Winsome Lawson at Westwood High School, she told me that, Natalia, look within you. That's where your purpose is. And so when I unlocked my purpose, that my purpose is to teach, to inspire, and to motivate, I was like, okay, I'm going to make goals using my purpose. And so the goal was to have students on the merit list. The goal was to own my own school, to make an impact on my students' life, not just in the classroom teaching chemistry, but develop them holistically. And that's what I've aimed to do. But one of the things that's my biggest recipe for winning is visualizing. I have visualized this interview so many times. Every single thing I've achieved in life is because I first lived it in my mind. Wow. And I want to encourage everyone to find their purpose, develop a vision or a goal for it, and develop the work ethic to match that vision.
And what I like about what you're saying is, because I like to tell kids this as well, is don't limit the vision. Because that's how you started this. You're saying maybe I should just be a teacher and that's okay. And maybe an author is too big for me, but here you are. So don't limit that vision. And then this plots the path. What type of audience are you hoping? What specific age group?
I am looking for the professional, the ambitious mother who have excelled in her adolescence and young adult life. And because of becoming a mother, the wife, becoming so excellent at work, she has forgotten about herself. So I'm looking for women who want to be winners, who want to set an example for their child by first modeling excellence so they can push their child and say, go live your dream because I am living mine.
Yeah, it's a great dream. And what I like about it is you don't limit the dream. If the dream is to lose weight, this tells you how you can. If the dream is to continue your education, it can. So the book is diverse and it supports diverse paths and purposes. And so I love it. Where can we find it? Where can we get a copy?
So Recipe for Winning is located on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon, the paperback, as well as Kindle. And also you can send me an email at white, WHYTE, full stop, Natalia, Natalia, at gmail.com, or send me a direct message on Instagram at Pretty Motivate if you're in Jamaica. And the cost of the book is $2,300. You can send me a DM and we'll arrange pickup.
All right, it's $2,300 that can end you up with millions if that's your purpose. So go out and get it. Yeah. And I always say support Jamaican people and Jamaican things and Jamaican entrepreneurs. Natalia, so proud of you that you've done it. Looking forward to the second book.
Yes.
Yes, I know one's coming.
We already had the vision.
All right, my darling. Thank you so much. Natalia White, teacher and author of Recipes for Winning. On the other side of the break, we have a blast from the past with a he said, she said from She Said It Right. Soon come.